Some moments in life, they just happen. And when they happen, you've got to be conscious, you've got to be aware so that you can seize that moment. I've been on a 1-week tour with my teacher, Dr. Omanand Guruji, the principal founder of Parmananda Institute of Yoga Sciences and Research in Indore, India. Alright, so we've been in Gujarat. Guruji has been inspiring schools, organizations, a lot of people about yoga, about meditative techniques. Guruji met all these kids, gave them the awards, inspired them, taught them about yoga, and now I have a 1-hour window to spend time with the kids. Alright, so we decided to do sun salutations together. Wow, having such an amazing time. These kids are so much full of energy, excitement, enthusiasm, right? And what I felt today is that, Surya Namaskar Yoga Practice, this has just given direction to their energy, what they require tomorrow to face this world, that inner strength, all right? So I'm leaving Navtad Primary School today with the hope that we've been able to sow a small seed. And as these kids grow up, this practice will be an integral part of their lives.